So what is up guys, this is the Realme GT Master Edition. As you guys already know about this smartphone, and in today's video I'm going to do its full review after using it for around a week now. And this smartphone first of all feels really smart, and like I think it's really sturdy build. The quality of the display is absolutely fantastic. It has a 120Hz Super AMOLED display, and yes, the display is very good. Viewing angles are awesome, and it is still very smooth as well. Now let's talk about its front cameras. In the front it has a very nice sensor. It picks up the light very well, and also there is SDR and everything, so yeah, it's working pretty awesome. In terms of the cameras in the back, let's just move towards the back, and this is the back cameras, and I think they're also very good. I think it's a 64 megapixel sensor. We are not going to go into technical details, we are going to tell you about its real world performance. And in terms of the real world performance, I am very happy, very satisfied. I have got no complaints with this. It's an awesome looking smartphone. It also works awesomely, like it is really awesome, you know. Day-to-day task, do whatever you want, you will never be disappointed. Look at those camera modules, they look awesome, but there's just one complaint, that is the back panel is made out of plastic and the speakers aren't loud enough. So I'm going to do a speaker test as well in this video, so you will get to know how good the speakers are of this smartphone, but they are not that good enough. We have this in-display fingerprint scanner. Obviously it is an AMOLED display, that's why they have provided this. And yes, there you go, it's just awesome, man. Sometimes it doesn't work. Right now I haven't registered it into my smartphone, that's why it's not working. But yes, the in-display fingerprint scanner is absolutely gorgeous. In terms of the ergonomics, this smartphone looks awesome. Let me just remove the case and show you guys about its actual build quality. So this is the smartphone itself, and I think, to be honest, it's really awesome. It is very lightweight, very handy. You can easily hold it with one hand and you can use it without any problem. But the main problem comes with its build. It is made out of plastic. That is very disappointing. Like at this price they should have provided glass, or not even glass, at least they should have provided an aluminum or something strong, you know. Plastic is sturdy, it is good, but it might get scratches very easily. But the camera module is made out of glass. That is really awesome. So yeah, there it is. It's really good in terms of that. Now let's talk about its back camera features. Like in the back camera we have a lot of features. We have the zoom features, and really a lot of features are present. We have the 1x zoom, the 2x zoom, then we also have the ultra wide angle camera. And I'm going to just switch between the modes and show you how well it actually works. So let me just focus on the camera, and there you go. Now it has the 4x, the 5x, 10x, everything is like basically present here. And in terms of the overall zoom quality, there's no problem. Video is also very stable and perfect in this. But there's one thing, I just didn't like the camera quality of this smartphone. I think the Poco X3 Pro is better in terms of the camera quality, but still it's Realme might be better. Like I haven't tested cameras enough to give you a full verdict. This is just a full review for like based on a week of usage. So right now I'm going to take my selfie, so let me just show you how. So there you go, and I'm doing a voiceover anyways, you guys know it, but that's the selfie, and it's pretty respectable. Like the details are good, the colors are good, the edge detection is awesome, but the skin tone isn't that nice. Like it should be even better, and there is a little bit of issue in white balance. We have movie mode that basically allows you to record in 21:9 aspect ratio, so you can record some really good movies with it, or let's just say a YouTube video with it. Right now I'm recording this video with my Poco X3 Pro, and man, the quality of Poco is amazing. Like that's really awesome. Now to exit the movie mode, I was unable to exit right now, but I'm gonna show you how to exit. First of all, this is the ultra wide angle movie mode, and that is even better and crazier. Like the ultra wide angle camera of this smartphone is better than my, so that's one thing. And yeah, to switch back to movie mode, you have to press on that icon there. It has a lot of features, I'm just trying to show you all of it. So there you go, now it is switched back to the movie mode. Now let's talk about its display, its software, and also the gaming performance, because enough about cameras. We are buying this phone for gaming, and what it is, like how good it is finally. So let's talk about its gaming performance. So right now this smartphone is basically running on Snapdragon 788 chip. It's very fast. You can see opening apps are awesome, and switching between apps is awesome. Scrolling here and there is awesome. It is not as laggy as MIUI in the Poco X3 Pro. Viewing angles are also really good. Like they're surprisingly good in this price range. You can't get better than this. So overall I think I have no issues with its display. You can scroll very nicely and easily through it, but there is one thing, at times I feel it is lagging while typing. I don't know why, but yeah, that is one thing. Now I'm just going to install this game and show you how well it actually works, because gaming performance is also very important, as this phone is basically a gaming phone. So it should have, like, they should have provided a very good gaming performance. Now you can see, like, the hole punch in the top looks really awesome. It looks like a little modern in these days. Normally smartphones aren't that beautiful looking, but this hole punch is like my favorite design. It's even better than the Poco X3 Pro's like the punch design in the middle. I prefer in the corner because it looks like a OnePlus phone or like a premium phone. Now I'm just going to start this and let me show you. It has game booster, and let me just show you how well it works. So that is its gaming performance. You can see playing light games or even playing BGMI is not going to be a problem in this phone. It's very very good, very optimized. That's the main term I would like to use. Like, Realme has really optimized its smartphone for performing better, but there are some things like the software isn't that good. There are some glitches in the software at times they appear, so that's just one thing which is very annoying at times. But yeah, let's test the speakers right now. So I have done the volume to 100%, and let's test the speakers. So I'm just going to remove this ad because yeah, ads take up a lot of time. So let's test it. 3 2 1 go. This is official Arrow OS running on Android 12 for the Poco X3 Pro, and I've just installed this right now, and to be honest, it's pretty smooth. But there are some things I want to discuss you, and this is just the first impression. So it is not a long video, and please don't be angry with it, because yeah, it takes a lot of time to make videos, and yeah, especially in exam. So now when I have blocked the speaker, you guys can experience that the quality is basically very bad while blocking the speaker. So that's one thing my complaint is, like, the speakers aren't that loud, and they should have provided a stereo type of speaker in this smartphone. So that is my complaint. Now overall, what is my verdict about this smartphone? It's an awesome smartphone, has a very nice Super AMOLED display, 120 Hz, has great viewing angles. Software isn't that good, sometimes I'm just annoyed with it. But yeah, overall the speakers are also not that good, but the charging speed is crazy good. It's damn fast, damn awesome. It has a lot of live wallpapers as well, so you will never be bored with it. I don't know about its custom ROMs and all that stuff, but maybe they are possible to install in this device as well. Tell me in the comments below. But overall, it's very smooth, very fluid. It's actually a perfect phone if you're not looking to go into custom ROMs a lot, just like me. So that's pretty much it for today's video. What do you think? If you like this video, you can follow me on Instagram. My ID is tal_782, and you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. I will see you around. Peace out.